guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this fake scenery in CapCut PC. So I have this like window here. I'll just crop that out later. I'm just going to place it on this layer. Go to rectangle and select invert or reverse, I guess. And I'm just going to place it where the window is. I'm trying my best to mask it all, and I'm just going to feather it out, but just a little bit, maybe just like 1% or even 2. Then I'm going to try to find like a scenery view here, and I'm going to place that there. I don't know if I like this one. About this one, I might make this go like up a little bit like that. Let's see. I don't know. I don't quite like these, but we'll just go with this one. And I'm going to select this, and I'm going to like add in like a nature effect here as well, like a rainy one. So if you just selected nature, which is this one, and selected the rainy season 1, I'm just going to add that there. And I'm going to select the video here. I'm just going to go to adjustments, and I might make it a little bit more blue, and I might turn down the saturation. I also want to make it a little bit darker because it's super bright for that. And just adjust it to your liking here. But yeah, that is pretty much it. Make sure your window looks more in depth than this one, because I can't find a good window picture. But yeah, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!